Go to Adjustment Layers and choose Gradient Map. Make sure the black is on the left side and the white is on the right side.
If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never.
Select both layers while holding the Shift button and convert them to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Now go to File and choose Save As. Let's name it Map Gradient. Now press Ctrl Z to undo. Choose the Type tool and write your paragraph. Make sure to delete the space between the lines. Go to Filter, Distort and choose Displace. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 20 and hit OK. Choose the Map Gradient file and press Open. Move the image layer on top. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now go to Adjustment Layers and choose Solid Colors and select Black Color. Put this layer in the back. That's it.